Hey, Anneka. I really want to get that cinematic shallow depth of field look. So maybe can we shoot at maybe like f1.8? Would that be okay?
Oh, I don't know if 1.8 is pretty open, isn't it? It's going to be hard to keep everything in focus.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen it before where it's been shot in that way, and it just, the eye's in focus, but the nose isn't. And I'd probably suggest 2.8 to him.
Yeah, it's not bad. 2.8 f4. Because then you'll get a cleaner key, basically.
Yeah, I was going to wonder, how much does it make a difference if you're going to be stripping out the background anyway?
Well, that's another sort of, there's no point.
Yeah.
Because you can have a f1.8 green screen background if you want it.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. That's my first thought.
Yeah. So, stupid producer. They need educating.